What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, what you're going to see is me just going to a couple of thrift stores, doing a Facebook Marketplace deal that I'm taking you on the ride with me for. I'm taking you back inside the store with me, back to the vlog style. So if you enjoy that type of filming, please hit the like button. Please drop that in the comments if you enjoy that. Definitely have some funny interactions and definitely find some cool stuff that you're going to want to stick around and watch to the end for. So yeah, like I said, it's just a couple of days of me thrifting. It's going to be in this video. So really hope you enjoyed the video, found some cool stuff. Without further ado, guys, let's just hop into the video right now. Today we're going to some thrift stores. Hopefully we can find some good stuff, get some good money. Hopefully we can hit a couple. Hopefully we can find some bangers. I'm running out of inventory, so I want to get as much stuff. If it can make me just a little bit of profit, I'm probably going to grab it today. Yeah, let's go see what we get. I'm going to take you along the ride with me. Let's go inside the stores and hopefully we can make some cash. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in the first store. This store, I wasn't really able to film. That's why there won't be much footage from this store. But anyways, I didn't even find much at all. So I actually ended up going to the electronics and finding this VCR and DVD combo. I did pick up one more thing at this spot, but I'll end up showing you guys that at the end of the video. So yeah, this little spot, $12.99. I'll end up making a couple bucks off it, but I'll show you guys that later. And as for this spot, this is the second spot that we end up going for the day. Right now, what I'm doing is I'm looking up sold comps on these vintage like roller skates with urethane wheels. The roller derby skates, I've heard to look out for them. So I ended up just kind of looking up comps. There's like a sold right here for 65, but it wasn't the same wheels. The ones I had were like black on black. So I'm just trying to look for those because I don't really like to go out. I like to go off like permanent comps, but this is the closest thing that I found to those. So right now we are about to meet this guy, Facebook Marketplace deal. We're buying a Wii off of him. He's got the drum set, the console, a bunch of games, bunch of Rock Band games that I could pair with some guitars that I have to increase the value of them. Meet up with him right now, get that done. Then we're gonna hit some thrift stores. I'm gonna take you inside with me, see what we can find. Back into the vlog side of things, take you guys inside the thrift with me and just show you the Facebook Marketplace deals that I do, because I do a lot of them. I just never show them on camera because I end up just like either leaving from work or on the side real quick. I just go and pick them up. So anyways, we're gonna do that right now. Catch you guys in just a little bit.
She don't let me skate off. There's some issues we should take off. Might as well get that makeup off your face. Last time had your lipstick on my pillowcase. This room like the sun. Take a trip to Bahamas whenever it's not sun.
Just a little side note, I'm leaving in this music just because there's some music in this clip, throughout this little clip that I can't play because of copyright reasons. So you guys get some music from my boy Jake Lewis.
It feels tropical with you, like we on an island. I love the view. Fuck it, let's move here, never leave. Won't have to set eyes on the enemies. Never do it with the weather when it's 10 degrees. Head out to the car in the morning with the windshield wipers freezing. Hands so cold they shake when I put the keys in. There are so many reasons. Don't you feel more alive when you're running along the beach? Traveling with the wind, we should take suggestions from breezes. Let the story begin. I wonder where it'll lead us. Sometimes I feel destiny's push. No matter the circumstance, I give it all that I could. It matter of fact, we feel each other's qualities. We lack, always got each other's back. So she don't let me skate off. There's some issues we should take off. Might as well get that makeup off your face. Last time had your lipstick on my pillowcase. This room like the sun. Taking trips to
This is where I wasn't looking right before they came in.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
I beat you to it. Some good ones. Hey, got an Eli. Okay, so as you guys saw, that was a little awkward. I'm going to explain exactly what happened at the end of this video. But right now, I'm just sort of looking comps on all of the stuff that I picked up in this store, which again, I will show you at the end of the video. But yeah, it was just a funny interaction that I had with this lady just from the beginning. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get to this other store. I'll show you guys what I paid for and what we're going to make off of this at the end of the video.
From time to time, I lose my mind. From time to time, from time to time, from time to time, I lose my mind. And say it's fine, but it ain't. No, 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 no. And do you feel the way I feel? From time to time, from time to time, my ways don't change. Can I not wait for change? And watch the world pass me by. There's so much to do, so much to see, especially what's across the sea. Cause ain't been out the country, don't even got a passport, but I got my friends, got the car, feet on the dashboard. From time to time, remind yourself to live your life while you can. Oh, 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 oh. I heard from someone, it'll pass you by. So just live your life while you can. Oh, oh.
Back in the garage, back from a whole day of Facebook pickups and thrift stores. Got some good stuff. I'm just going to show you just what I picked up today, just how much I got it for, and just what we expect to make on all this stuff. Right, so all this Wii stuff I picked up for $100. It's got like a bunch of accessories that aren't really like, they're not OEM, so they're probably not worth it, but I'm gonna package it with it. I didn't know it was actually gonna come with the box, so that's an added bonus. Got that game, that's at least $25. These drums are gonna go for like 100, maybe more than that. So I'm just gonna package the Wii with a bunch of the other games. I'm gonna try and save the Rock Band game so I can package with some of the guitars that I have in that bucket over there. But all in all, with the Wii stuff, just off of that deal, I should probably make close to $275, $300 on just that. And then we went to the thrift store. This is the second one, but just because it's right here. I just picked up one thing, that's why there wasn't much at that film. I didn't get any much footage at that place because I only got this one thing. This Lefty Rawlings Club, you guys know I always pick up baseball things. It's probably gonna give me about $50, $60. I paid $7.99 for that. Well, the first place I actually was able to pick up some good stuff. I got all of these. I got a freaking Philips VCR. That's $7.99. Should get about $40 for that. This Magnavox combo should get about $75. And this bottom one right here, this Hitachi combo, it's gonna go for around $65 to $70 as well. Look, I got a bunch of them over there. Like, they sell eventually. Look, I have to, that Clover drawer, cash drawer machine, I'm gonna have to move that because this is gonna have to be another shelf of, I'm gonna have to make another shelf for all these combo players because they're gonna sell eventually, I know. So that's why I keep picking them up. But as you guys saw in the store, this lady, let me just take these out really quick. So while I was in the store, I was driving by with my car. I had clipped my GoPro on the cart, and she kind of noticed it. Didn't care, but as I kept walking past her. I don't know, she just thought like I knew what I was doing or something, and so she quick turned the corner, and I just went into some random aisle. I didn't even know it was the jersey section, but then I found this like Iverson jersey that I thought was like one of the weird Hardwood Classics, but it was actually an older one. And then she came by like right on the other side and swooped in and nabbed all the other jerseys. She's like, I knew, like, you guys heard, like, I thought they were putting them out like some other time or whatever. And I was like, whoa, you don't got to do all that. But anyways, picked up this Iverson jersey and this Derrick Rose Bulls jersey. This one's super clean. I don't know. I didn't even check comps because the way she was grabbing them made me seem like they're probably like worth something. I didn't even check comps, so $16.99 for both of these. I don't know if I overpaid or if I'll get my money back, but honestly, Iverson was one of my favorite players on the Sixers, and Derrick Rose was a beast, obviously, when he was with the Bulls, and I really like this jersey, and they both are my size, so if anything, I'll just keep them because I really like that Rose jersey. And I don't have a basketball jersey yet, so it could be that. So I paid. So at the Salvation Army, which where this was at,
I paid like $62 at that Salvation. No, it was $60 at the Salvation Army for those 3 combo units or the VCR and these 2 jerseys. I'm gonna go for sure. I'm gonna make like $200 off of just the VCRs, or like 150. And then these jerseys, who knows? I might just keep them, but yeah, some good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, that's what we picked up today. Was able to get some good stuff. So I'm glad that we were able to go out there and find success. I hate when I go out there and I don't find anything. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up because it's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean them up, test them, see what works and what doesn't work. But yeah, if you found any value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure to flip that trash into cash. And as always, I will see you on the next one. All right, the moment of truth. We're gonna see what is in here. What game is in here? If there's a game. Let's see. Just Dance 2016. Yay! Lipstick on my pillowcase. This room like the sauna. Take a trip to Bali.